Hello students, happy morning to all students who are watching this video. Please take care of your health. So students, let's come back to our mathematics topic. So, we are on chapter 8, that is decimal numbers, and this video will be part 5 video. So students, in previous video we have seen the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. In today's video, we will look upon the multiplication of division numbers. So are my students ready with their notebook? So students, today in this video, we will have a look on multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Whenever it is given to find the multiplication of decimal with 10. For example, अगर आपको बोलते हैं कि आपको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो आप कौन सा मेथड फॉलो करोगे? ये वाला 6.25 into 10, 5 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6. Do you will follow this method? It is time consuming. I have one more shortcut method for it. Have a look on the screen. First of all, I will write the number without decimal. 625 upon decimal में हटाऊंगी. decimal के बाद जितने numbers होंगे उतने zero नीचे आ जाएंगे. In this case, after decimal, there are two numbers. I can say two digits. So, I will place 100 over there. Then into 10. Understood students? What I did? I simply converted decimal into fraction. In this case, point के बाद जितने number नीचे उतने ही zeros. Now, I will do the cutting part. 0, 0. What is left? 1 0. So first of all I will write it again 6 2 5. कितने zeros बाकी है? अब सिर्फ एक ही zero बचा है. So मैं एक नंबर के बाद decimal लगा दूंगी. Understood? It is so easy, right? The same method is here. दोनों मेथड से आंसर आपका सेम ही आएगा. Have a look. 6.25 multiplied by 10. Simple, जैसे मैं इंटू करती हूँ मैंने वैसे ही इंटू किया है. Now, what the point comes? Where to place the decimal? Decimal के बाद दो नंबर, तो मैं पीछे से दो नंबर के बाद decimal फिक्स कर दूँगी. So, पीछे से दो नंबर के बाद मैं decimal फिक्स कर दूँगी. It is not from the front. It is from the left side. Okay students, this was a sum in which we multiplied by 10. Now let's solve the next sum. This is the sum of your exercise 4 of your textbook on page number 78. Right now we are solving 78 exercise 4. Exercise 4, page number 78. Student, your next slide is, or I can say the next question is 0.12 into 1000. Now what I will do? जैसे मैंने पहले किया था मैं इसमें भी वैसे ही करूँगी. 1 2 without decimal I wrote the number upon decimal के बाद कितने numbers हैं? 2. So I will place 2 zeros over there into 1000. Now I will do the cutting part. 0 0. 2 zeros cut, 2 zeros here cut. Now what is 12 tens are? 120. Okay students, so here it is 10,000. One more zero will be there, one more zero will be 0 will be here. So students, this was our first question of exercise 5. In that first question, you are supposed to solve the sum in this manner. This is a shortcut method which is only applied when the given decimal is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Means जिसके पीछे zeros हो. Okay students. So now we will move to question number 2. Here is your question number 2. The 8 we will be solving the first one. 36.5 into 5. रही बात मल्टीप्लिकेशन की, no way you will. 36.5 into 5. Excuse me. See, now we will simply do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. So this is my normal answer without decimal. Now it comes to the placing of the decimals. How many digits are there after decimal? 1. So मैम कहाँ से पॉइंट लगाएंगे? पीछे से एक डिजिट के पहले पॉइंट लगा देंगे. Okay students, it is so easy, right? Let's solve one more sum of this. We will be solving question number 2. In that we will be solving the D1. That is when both the terms are decimal. What we have to do? 8.6 into 1.4. Ignore the point. आपको decimal को थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल ही जाओ. For you it will be 86 into 14. 6 4s are 24. 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 34 into 6 1s are 6, 8 1s are 8. 4, 10, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So this was my answer after multiplying 86 into 14. Now I will place the decimals. Decimals के साथ करेंगे तो 1, 2. टोटल 2 डेसिमल्स है, दोनों के बाद एक एक नंबर है, तो 1 plus 1 equals to 2. सो मैं 2 डिजिट के बाद मैं एक डेसिमल प्लॉट कर दूंगी. अंडरस्टूड? अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे और एक नंबर होता, दिस इज फॉर जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर यहाँ पे और एक नंबर होता तो अब टोटल कितने हो जाएंगे डेसिमल नंबर्स, सॉरी डेसिमल के बाद नंबर्स 1, 2 एंड इसका सी 1, 2 एंड 3. So 3 numbers हो जाते हैं. So ma'am could have placed this decimal over here. Understood? Let's take one more example. In this only, let me add here 4, 9. So now, how many numbers are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are 5 numbers of decimal and my answer is in 4 digits. So what will be my answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth digit मेरे पास नहीं है, so I will write 0 और उसके बाद में decimal लगा दूंगी. Understood? And it is advisable कि decimal के पहले कोई भी नंबर नहीं हो ना तो आप 0 प्लेस कर सकते हो. Okay? I repeat this for you. In this case, we have in all 5 digits after decimal. Decimal में हम दोनों के digits को add कर देंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but my answer was in 4 digits. So what will ma'am do? Ma'am will add 1 0. So the counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits के बाद एक decimal आ जाएगा. And it is advisable to write one number before decimal. Okay students, I hope the multiplication of decimal numbers is clear. So let's move to the worksheet part. This is your worksheet. Okay students, all the sums are same. In question number 1, you will follow the shortcut method. In this, you will simply multiply and then you will place the decimals over there. Okay students, so complete your worksheet, complete your notebooks and send me the photo shots. Bye students, take care, God bless you.